The RVDA show has gone virtual this year, and so has DealerPRO RV Training. Hi, my name is Kristen Williams, and along with our CEO, Don Reed, and our Director of Sales, Ken Barnes, we're going to miss seeing you at the booth this year. We always enjoy seeing industry friends, meeting new prospects, and talking to our valued alumni dealers. But we don't want you to miss out on the dynamic Vendor Training Plus workshop content that DealerPRO is known for delivering at the show. So we're going to bring our service and parts training content directly to you. This year, our content is designed to help you solve a challenge that you may be seeing in your store with the record new RV sales that we've seen this year. With all those new sales customers, what are you doing now to prepare your service and parts operations for that increase in service business? Over the next 2 weeks, we're going to give you the answers and the help that you need. We're going to address things like improving technician productivity, increasing repair event cycle time, decreasing backlogs in your scheduling in your shop, and so much more. Don't miss it. We're ready to see you through to 2021 and help you achieve record sales in your service and parts operations. And don't miss out on our show special this year. Stay tuned for more details in the coming emails and training sessions. Have a great show and reach out anytime if we at DealerPRO RV Training can help you achieve record gross profit increases in your service and parts operations through our award-winning training.